Hello everyone. This application is about auto confirm MRP orders in Odoo. We have done this application for auto confirming the MRP orders based on the available quantity, and if that is not available then forcefully we can do the auto confirm the order of MRP orders where the work orders will be posted automatically for this forcefully done auto confirm orders for MRP. This is for Odoo 17 Enterprise version, and now I will show how this application will be working. After installing this app, first we need to go to the manufacturing order. Here we need to go to the operations, manufacturing orders. So here you will be able to see all the manufacturing orders with the state. And here in the dust combination, we are having the products, the components, and the forecast is one available and two are unavailable. And if you come here, this both are available. So I'll go back to the manufacturing order and tick on 5 and 6 manufacturing order reference. And here in the action button, we have a button called auto confirm order. So if I click on this auto confirm order menu, then this wizard will be opening up where it has a confirm MRP order available quantity. So if the available quantity is there in that particular product, then automatically it will move to the done state. If only few component is available and other it is not available, then it automatically convert into the confirmed state. So now I will show how this will be coming up. So in the confirm MRP order, I have given the available quantity and here I am confirming this 5 and 6 orders. So here you can see this particular 5 will be in the confirmed state, and if I go inside here you will be able to see the components, one is available and two is not available, and the work orders with here the component status will be not available. And if this particular order will be available, then automatically it will go to the done state. So here the components are available and automatically this will move to the done state, and this will be working only for the done state. So again now I will click on confirmed and done state and click on the action and click on auto confirm order, and I will click on available quantity for the same two orders. So here you can see we will get a validation error saying that all the selected orders must be in the draft stage only. So if it is not in the draft stage, then we will be not able to do this process. And similarly, if we want to do it forcefully, if the quantity is not available, then if I click in the desk combination, here you can see there is a components and here you can see there is a work orders. So I'll go back to this and I will click on the 7 and click on action and I will click on auto confirm orders. So here I'm selecting forcefully done and here I'm giving the MRP order as 7. If I confirm this particular order, then this will get too close, that is this will get confirmed and done state. Since we are forcefully doing, if the components is not available also, we are forcefully doing this, so the work orders will automatically get finished and here it will go to the too close state. And if you want to do it for any other state which is open, I will click on drawer and this table and I will click on action and auto confirm order. So I'm forcefully doing this 9 and 10 orders. So clicking on confirm button, then automatically this two 9 and 10 states will become done. Since this 9 is already available product in the component, so it will automatically go to the done state. And if the components is not available and if we are doing it forcefully, then here you can see it will go to the to close state. So this is regarding the auto confirm MRP order in Odoo. If you have any query, then please note down and comment in the below query section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.